calendar. Ito yung mga nililista ng teacher na kailangan bilhin. So, you can nap something after lunch. Dami palang nililista ni teacher ah. Alat ha. Books. How many books study? Color pencil. Pieces of box of crayons. So, yun yung mga needs ni teacher. Ito, ano to eh. Santino bumili ano nito, nagpili. Just lunch box. So, yung school ni Santino may free for breakfast and for lunch. What the name of your the school Santino? So, ito yung pinakabili rin sa nito. After lunch, hindi siya matulog. Nababalitan ito. Ayan. Box for pencil. Yup, and that's for pencil. Pencil box. Because of Turkey yep, with the kinder so start ang school Santino mga around 8 AM then out 3 PM so but pick up din siya ni Michael ng 60. Wala something. What is this? That's box, right?
What is this?
That's a dry eraser.
Dry eraser. So big. Going back to school after to give them the stuff. Next to drop the stuff. I-drop na namin marami pa kami backpack. Dami. So, maghanap tayo ng backpack at dami. What's the name of the store? Ah, Walmart. Walmart. Santinos Home Sequoias Academy. Baby boy. Yung nalagay mo na sa ano, ang dami na nito ah. Hindi talaga. Ah, there. School supplies. Yeah, this is school supplies. That's teacher's needs. Filters. Ang backpack. Backpack naman, backpack. Oh my God, blow yan. So big din talaga Big Daddy. Hindi talaga big backpack daddy. So, let me see. Oh, doon siya. Meron siya maliit na ano for snacks na. Kulay doon, banid naman. Kulay doon. Ikuha sa din ako min crop.
Mandy gives you such a love.
Na. Oh my God, ito na naman sa mga sets of toys. Mga Play-Doh. This is like
Yeah, just play with it.
Ito lahat ay teachers. So, bibilihan ka lang ni Daddy na pwede mong laruin doon sa Bata House. O nga, bilihan ka pa dito sa school yan. Bilihan ka niya para sa... May gun na naman. Another gun. Sige, go! Yan kami bumili. Uniform pa, no? Jollibee. Oh, may Jollibee pala here. Ha? You pipi? Ah, do you have Sharon Jollibee?
Rice,
Yep.
adobo rice.
Pineapple. Masarap to pineapple yan. Kokyu. Kokyu ka Santino. Masarap? Santino? Okay. So, dito tayo sa Jollibee. So, may mga trabaho dito mga ano. Ating dumating na. Si Daddy mag-open is Santino for you. Yan. And then, spaghetti. And then, ayan. Sauces na. And this one is
That's lemon. That's for mommy's palabok. This is mommy's palabok.
oh, this is mine, palabok. So this is my recipe. Guys, and wow! Ito yung mga ano natin. So, may lemon juice. So, ayan yung kay Daddy.
That's your hot dog.
Palabok natin. Uy, ang sarap ito na.
You won't eat all?
With bread. So, ito yung rice ni Daddy. With rice and adobo rice. Adobo rice. Soy sauce. So, okay pa. Nice spicy flavor. Ito yung para sa palabok natin. T-shirt. Wow, different color. Wow. Anong sabihin mo kay Daddy? Yung nice shirt. Without the medyas naman, medyas. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, there's a lot. Oh, Santino, umayos ka na upo dyan. Manok.
Broke my chicken, remember?
From Virtual Galera pa na find shoes for you.
That's a bro.
Nice shoes.
Go around here.
Alright. Santino. Blowy na naman Daddy. Oh, blowy shoes na naman Daddy. Too small for baby yan Santino. Nice ang black. Nice the black. Nice the black Santino. Color black.
Let's see if these fit.
Santino, try mo muna yung muna ni Santino. Kung kasya ba? Tubig. Tubig. Tubig water. Tubig. Too big. At 12. Not hurt in your face, you know? Wait. Kaya kasi nag-medyas. Santino. Mapili natin.
Don't want to get dirty. That's enough. Calm
Nike.
down.
Come on.
Nike, yeah, like Michael Jordan wears.
Oh, Nike. Suit. Santino, go. Your breath, Santino. Oh. Yeah. Kaya nga, bilihan ka. kulon. This one. Oh nga, the blue. I'm here. Mga cartoons yung mga picture na
Wait.
sa
You want these?
gusto ko ba daw yan? Yung Paw Patrol na brief. Paw Patrol na brief na Pokemon. Big daw yan, hanap. Di, kasya daw sa'yo.
Get Mario.
Super Mario. Do another sunglasses. I've got these sunglasses cost of 12,000 pesos. So ito yung lagayan niya.
That's what they call it. Very
12.
expensive.
Ray-Ban. Very expensive. 12,750. So that's why you wondering why very expensive, because this is the nice the brand. Nice. And this is the nice glasses. So what is the inside? This is the smaller one. Ito yung panglinis. Panglinis niya. I like the housing ng glasses. Yung booklet. With booklet.
Yeah, you can match your earrings gold.
Oo nga, right. Thank you so much, Harvey. Kaya Santina.
What?
Uwi na kami katapos lang namin mamili, mag-shopping. Katapos lang mag-Jollibee, katapos lang mag-shopping. So, we're just at home na. Back to home. Sobrang init this month, guys. 109 degrees. Nakalimutan kami ng Jollibee kasi pinaubos. Ang sarap ng nila Jollibee. Ang sarap ng palabok.